In this video, we're going to look at some more places you can go to get help with Drupal. The first place to start is the Drupal community documentation at drupal.org/documentation. Drupal has really quite good documentation, and as you can see, it's maintained by the Drupal community. So as you're learning Drupal, if you find things that are deficient in the documentation, you can contribute back and help other people learn it better. But as you can see, there's a whole bunch here in a variety of topics, both for learning Drupal as a user and for contributing back as a developer and other various information. There's some information on Drupal books that you can buy. Of course, there are many. But you should definitely check out the documentation. There's more on installation. There's more on administration. There's a bunch here. Check it out. You can also find the forums on Drupal.org at drupal.org/forum. This serves both to show how the Drupal forum module works, but also, of course, to actually be used for users helping other users. And as you can see, there's quite a bit here as well. You do need an account on Drupal.org, which you can get here at the register link to be able to log in and post new content, but you can still browse and search for old topics from other people. You can also chat with the Drupal community on IRC. IRC is Internet Relay Chat, and it's a real-time chat, one of the oldest ways of using chat on the internet. And there are quite a few channels, which is how IRC is divided up, devoted to Drupal. So you can see there's one that's general, one for contributing back, and one for support, and then lots of others. If you've never used IRC before, I recommend you check out this page here, Setting Up IRC. And there's a web interface, which is very nice. It means there's nothing you have to download or install to get started. And there's links here if you are interested in downloading an IRC application for your computer, if you don't want to use a web browser. If you're going to be using IRC a lot, that's probably a good idea. But this is a good way to get involved with some of the other people that are active in the Drupal community, and there's many people on IRC who are willing to help at almost any time of day. After all, Drupal is a worldwide community. And then finally, it's worth noting that Stack Exchange has a Drupal site as well called Drupal Answers at drupal.stackexchange.com. And as with other Stack Exchange websites, there are lots and lots of questions and lots of answers. So this is another place where you can get involved as you start to learn Drupal, and you can help out other people with their questions. You may sense a recurring theme here in that I'm talking about both finding answers to your own questions and answering other people's questions yourself. And it's important to remember that Drupal is community-based software. It's written by a worldwide community of people, and everybody's helping everybody else out. That's part of the beauty of it. So as you learn Drupal, using these resources and others, be sure to contribute back to help lift everybody up and make the whole experience better. So that's a look at some places where you can find more Drupal help online.